Hey Manigang, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manikenny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. For already part of this family though, I appreciate you as usual. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my best kept secret of how I made my hair from being super strong to super soft, and from being this short as you see now to being as long as it is right now in this video. So if you want to see that, stay tuned. And please subscribe to the channel by clicking the red button below and the little bell beside you so you don't miss any of my updates. So without further ado, let's jump into how I make this very good delicious hair butter to make your hair softer and longer.
It's Manikenny.
So then I use raw shea butter, unrefined shea butter. This I just got not too long ago, but I still have some of my raw shea butter from Cameroon, which I got on one of my trips. So that's the raw shea butter. This is coconut oil that I bought from the shop here. It is organic bio. Then I'm going to use avocado oil. This is avocado virgin oil, which I also got online. Then I do have this already, which I have for a while. It's pretty much a body and nail oil, but it has this lavender smell, and apricot oil and coconut oil. Sometimes I just add it just for the smell, just for it to smell good. Then I have some remaining avocado oil, which I'm going to empty. You can see it's almost done. And some macadamia oil, which I also want to use up because it's been a while. Yeah. And I also have this other oil. It's a mixture of castor oil, 100% USP pure castor oil and hemp oil mixed together. I really love castor oil for my hair. Hemp oil is also a plus, has good qualities. Y'all can check online. So yeah, what else do I need? I need a bowl to mix it all in. So apart from the oils, I usually add like some essential oil, like this eucalyptus essential oil, which I will add to the oil. And yeah, so those are pretty much the things I'm going to put in my hair butter. So let's get into it.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So now I'm going to, this is ready to use. So I will just take an older clean container from an older product that I already used, and I'm just going to take a spoon, scoop this out and put it in here for storage. I do not have a better way of filling this, so I will just, you know, do the scoop. This looks so good. Ew, I feel like it's ice cream or something. But this will do wonders for your hair. So this is pretty much what I do to grow my hair and to keep it softer and softer and as soft as possible. So yeah, so this container is pretty much full, and this is about 250 grams container, I think, or bigger. Let me check. Where do they put the weight of this thing? Yeah, this is actually 425 grams. This container, it can carry 425 grams, and this is full. This is pretty much ready to use, and smells so good, and is very nutritious for the hair. So this is pretty much what it looks like at the end. It's very, very moist. So yeah, so for all of those that don't like wasting like me, this is not going to go to waste. Actually, today is my hair wash day. As you can see, it is in a treatment right now. So after washing this out and shampooing my hair and cleaning my hair, then I'm going to use this as my hair butter, the rest from this container. So that is pretty much how I do my hair butters. And what I do, or what I did before my hair got super soft, is that every month I will wash my hair twice. So like once per 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks I'll wash my hair, and before washing my hair I will put this hair butter mixture and saturate it in my hair, and then tie it up like you see this little plastic bag here, and then tie a headscarf around it so that it doesn't go to my pillow or my bed sheets. Then I will sleep, and then the next day I'm going to wash my hair with my normal silicone paraben free shampoo, and condition and wash and do all of that. And then after doing that, I will still use this as a hair butter to lock in my moisture into my hair, and then I can style my hair and whatever. And that has made such a huge difference in my hair routine, like you don't even know. It has made a very huge difference. My hair used to be super strong and breaking all of my combs and stuff, but now I can actually wash my hair and comb through it and run my fingers through it. It's amazing. Like, I am amazed at how much my hair has changed, and the texture and the softness. And yeah, so now that is pretty much what I do. This is going to last me a few months of use, because I normally would use like an oil rinse that you will see in another video before, as a pre-wash for my hair. But that is because my hair has already gotten super soft. But before then I would have used this as my pre-wash. That's pretty much my recipe for my hair butter slash hair oil. So let me know if you guys will try this. If you have ever tried it, you can actually add different oils in it, that like oils that you can do your research and choose the oils you think would be good for your hair type. And yeah, let me know if you tried this. What do you think about this hair butter? Have you tried this before? If you do, let me know in the comment section how it went, how you liked it, you know. And yeah, so this is all I wanted to show you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Before you leave, please watch the next video somewhere here on the screen. And if you like this type of content and you like my recipe, then click on the subscribe button below the red button, and the little bell beside it, so you get notified every time I post something new. Okay guys, so I have to go wash my hair, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Bye.